This video will show you how to renew your subscription online. When you launch Film Designs 4 and see the info screen stating that your subscription has expired or is about to expire, it means you need to make a payment to continue using the cutting capabilities. Click the Renew button. You will be taken to our website, where you can make a secure payment. On the payment page, verify your license key number and contact details. Since you are not logged into your online account, your contact information will be partially masked. If everything appears correct, click Proceed. Select the package and subscription period that works for you. The price will update automatically. Enter your card information. You can choose between a one-time payment or a recurring payment plan. If you select the recurring option, your subscription will automatically renew, ensuring you never lose access to the cutting functionality. When everything looks good, click Pay. If your payment is successful, you'll see a payment confirmation page with your new expiration date. A confirmation email will also be sent to the email address linked to your account. Our system automatically checks if you're using the latest version of Film Designs 4. If an update is available, we recommend upgrading to benefit from the latest features and fixes. Now relaunch Film Designs 4. The new expiration date should automatically sync from our server, and your cutting capabilities will be fully restored. If the expiration date does not update, it usually means your software version is outdated. Please install the latest update. If your previous expiration date is still more than 5 days away, the system may continue displaying the old date. Don't worry, it will update automatically as the previous expiration date nears. Just relaunch the software closer to the previous expiration day. And that's it. You've successfully renewed your subscription. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.